Some behind the scenes carpet straightening here. Well done, guys. Well done.
Oh
no! Don't mind the pups. All right. So we're at the second location with Sarah here. And yeah, so tell me a little bit about this gorgeous space.
So this is a new build that we did in this beautiful property just outside of town. So what we really wanted to do was the clients love outdoors, so we wanted to bring in some of those outdoor elements and then mix it with sort of a modern, fresh vibe. So we bought in a lot of wood, so there's a lot of natural wood tones in here, light woods, a lot of high contrast, black and white, natural materials like quartz countertops, and then lots of texture and accessories like wicker and fur and leather. So it kind of gives you that nice outdoorsy feeling on the inside, but still nice and fresh and bright and modern.
Yeah, the wood here.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, that table's beautiful. That was the local custom-made table. Yeah. Yeah, and the homeowners have 2 dogs. So we opted for actually more durable flooring. So this flooring is actually luxury vinyl plank, although it looks just like hardwood, but it's a lot more durable.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I like how, again, the accent pieces here, like the blacks, you tied in with this main accent all over here.
Yeah.
And that's funny, actually. Did she go quiet the dogs? Because the dogs all of a sudden got quiet.
I know.
Oh, there they are. There they are. They heard me.
Not time. I'll just grab all my stuff and
Yeah.
are you still taking?
It's all good. Yeah, it's just hanging out. Nice.
So they bought the empty lot and then they hired a builder. So they brought me in, to help with all the material selections, just to make sure we had a cohesive, space and everything coordinated well together, picking the right materials, and then we did a little bit of decor as well in here. A few furniture pieces and some decor.
When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby, so good.